The 5th Chinese Farmers' Harvest Festival falls on Friday, as the country is poised to embrace another bumper grain harvest. In an agricultural expo park in Chengdu in Sichuan province, nearly 20 paddy fields were well designed to symbolize a bumper harvest. To complete these paddy field drawings, the technical team used satellite positioning and 3D technologies to conduct digital mapping. Linzhou County in Lhasa in China's Tibet has also welcomed a harvest of highland barley. The crop has been planted in Tibet for more than 3,500 years. In a modern agricultural industrial park of Suqian in Jiangsu province, more than 50,000 kilograms of hairy crabs were transported from here to other parts of China each day recently. Initiated in 2018, the Chinese Farmers' Harvest Festival is celebrated on the autumnal equinox each year, which is one of the 24 solar terms of the Chinese lunar calendar and usually falls between September 22nd and 24th during the country's agricultural harvest season.